Hey everyone, hope everyone's doing well today. The other day I was asked this question: how do you get a dog when you recall a dog, if it's really excited and it just comes barreling into you? Some people may want to use the term an overzealous dog, but a lot of times it's just a dog that's just not very disciplined in its recall manners. If you have your dog to the point of where they can walk on lead, they walk with you when you start walking and they stop and they sit, of course. This is something that you can do to dress up their manners and recall so they won't come barreling into you, and you can make a habit of doing this that will help not only with you but with other people the dogs interact with. All right, I'm going to do this from the side here. Here, buddy. Sit. Get the dog to sit in front of you like this right here, and keep the lead on the dog so the dog's not trying to run off and run around and everything else. And what I'm going to do is just have him to sit like this right here, and I'm going to call him in. Here, sit. And I'm going to reach over and pet. And do everything in a very calm manner, because if the dog is bouncing around, jumping around, and you're petting them, you're actually rewarding them for being excited, and you want them to remain calm when you're doing this. Here, sit. Now, doing this distance may not seem like it can be beneficial or helpful, but it does. You have to break it down real simple. Get the dog in a habit of coming up to you real slow like this, in this manner. As they get better, you can start extending that out. Here, sit. And as they get better, more proficient, you can start expanding that distance out. But you've got to create that habit. This is how I want you to come in, and you have them to sit and you pet them. Keep your petting up top, and we'll discuss that in another video at some point in time. But do everything in a calm manner. The more calm you work with the dog, one that's very excited, they pick up on that and they will start working with you in a calm manner. If you have any questions, let me know.